Using 22-inch wide Wakaflex, measure and cut a piece of sufficient length that is a minimum 1 inch past each edge of the valley. Provide backing or support behind the tile to prevent Wakaflex from ponding. Temporarily position Wakaflex under the valley metal. Wakaflex is to extend a minimum of 6 inches under the valley metal. Dry fit tiles to help lay out where to trim the Wakaflex. Trim Wakaflex. Remove Wakaflex and remove the top portion of the release liner. Fold the top edge of the Wakaflex to adhere the butyl strips to the underside of the valley metal. Fold up both sides of the Wakaflex at the edges of the valley metal to create a water trough. Remove the remaining release liner. Mold tightly to the tiles, pressing the Wakaflex tightly to seal the butyl adhesive strips. Dry fit the tiles. Remove any portion of the tile's underside that may obstruct water flow exiting the valley. Remove the tiles. Where needed, paint the Wakaflex to match the roof color. Install the tiles as required by code.